What's good, YouTube? It's Lord Shift here, back at it again with another banger video. And as y'all can see by the title, man, y'all been asking for it for a long time. But your boy ready to do a little highway POV in a Dodge Charger RT, swimming through rush hour traffic. Y'all want to see me go crazy on the highway in an RT, not a cat, not a scat, but an RT, please smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna definitely go crazy for y'all. But as you can see, man, we gonna go in track mode. Your boy got 39 miles left of gas, so we gonna see where the gas is gonna be at once we get to the end of the video. My fault if y'all hear a lot of wind noises and stuff. I got both of the windows down so y'all can hear the car. But your boy is about to swim on this highway. You feel me? About to swim on this motherfucking highway. Smash that like button. Definitely comment and subscribe, y'all. As y'all can see, we got hella traffic in front of us. I ain't gonna go too crazy because I am using only one hand, so I can't go crazy as I could go. So don't laugh at my cut up. Your boy about to draw. If you guys don't already know, put my window up real quick so y'all can hear me say this. If you guys don't already know, this is a 2019 Dodge Charger RT. Straight pipe. The cats are still on, so just no mufflers, no resonators, just a straight pipe going straight back from the catalytic converters. But other than that, nothing else done to the car. If you've been on my channel, you should already know that. Yeah, your boy's about to try to go crazy once again, man. All this fucking traffic we got in front of us. I ain't gonna take the shoulder or none of that, but we're gonna try to maneuver through this traffic in an RT. So I'm gonna show y'all how this bitch be moving, you feel me? But y'all gotta do me a favor. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe once again. I'm gonna keep saying that to y'all, man, until y'all actually do it. Your boy at 10K, we on the road to 20. So we getting somewhere. Damn, bro, they hitting their brakes hard as shit, good. Let me move this motherfucker. We already lost 2 miles worth of gas. Your boy is moving through this shit. And then we got this piece of shit in front of me. Man, it's hard as shit doing this shit with one hand. And it's hot, bro. Let me put the windows back down. This bitch screaming. Oh, oh, oh. All this traffic, bro, kind of sucks. Really can't really do anything because you got cars over here, cars over there, so. But I guess as long as y'all can hear the engine, that's all that matters, right? So I'm gonna go in the first gear during these little slow traffic times, and I'm gonna just hit that shit, you feel me? I need gas. That gas light, by the time this video is over, bro, that gas light is definitely gonna be on 100%. I'm gonna be at like 20 miles, watch. I love when that shit squat. That shit feel crazy. We're getting ready to approach a little bridge, John, so I can make her scream real quick. Going under that, John. It's hot. I want to turn the AC on, but I don't want y'all to hear that shit. Here we go, y'all. Going under a little tunnel, John. Give me some space. Oh my God. Oh my God. This bitch sound crazy. A lot of people been saying like, yo, like, my RT don't even sound like that. Like, even with headers, it don't even sound that loud. To be honest, I don't know, bro. All I got is a mid muffler and a resonator delete. I don't know how the hell this shit is so loud. But, man, this shit crazy. Here goes another tunnel John. Oh my God. First gear type shit. Oh, and another thing, man. Y'all gonna be excited for this one, but your boy finally got a differential for the RT, man. We finally got the we didn't get a 3.09, we got a 2.62 LSD. Still do the same shit, to be honest. Just better for top end speeds. But it came off a 2021 Hellcat. Ordered that motherfucker. Ready to put that shit on like within the next couple weeks. I was thinking about doing it myself, but I ain't gonna lie, I don't like messing with the axles and shit. Cause my luck, I do that myself and the whole car just break down and the differential snap or something. So I'm gonna take it to a mechanic within the next week or two. And you already know your boy gonna do a video on that. So stay tuned, make sure y'all smash that like button, turn on post notifications, and y'all gonna get that video sooner or later. Not even just a video, but your boy finally finna slide the RT. I need y'all to spam Tanny in the chat, man. Spam Tanny. All of y'all need to spam Tanny in the chat. Lord Bender's on the way, man. Imagine getting packed up by a freaking RT, bro. Imagine you in the 392 and you get packed up by an RT. I can't wait to just do niggas badly. Oh my God. That differential about to get me right. As soon as I get that bitch on, I'm swinging this motherfucker. At a legal pit in Mexico. Feel me? Gotta just throw that out there for all you federal ass nigga watching. As soon as that bitch get thrown on, man, oh nah, Biden sucks. Why does he have that on his John? Speaking of Biden, go check out my last video. I did a little POV drive through his little neighborhood. If y'all want me to go back, let me know. I definitely will. But y'all go to that video and comment if y'all want me to go back. This video, I need y'all to spam Tanny. Why am I not cutting up though right now? Like, I got all this space, bro. I'm drawing. I know y'all bored as shit. Let me get out of manual real quick. Oh, we got a little bump. Move that shit, nigga. Move that shit, nigga. I got a certain place to be, so of course this truck's trying to get over. Like, bro, you have the whole lane. Just go up there, bro. I think that's an undercover behind me, bro. I can't tell. It's a little Ford. I don't know if y'all can see him. Right there. Right there. That nigga. I think that's an undercover, but I can't tell. Because he got one headlight out, and I don't think cops will ride around like that. So I think we might be good. I'm going to wait till he passes, though. I don't want to get booked. Hold on, y'all. Once I find out it's not an undercover. Okay, I can't tell. This nigga got a suit on. Fuck it, though. I don't know, bro. This nigga got an antenna and everything on his car. His wheels ain't black, though. Yeah, that's not an undercover. Ooh, that little F-150. Tunnel. Oh my God, bro. Shit loud as fuck. Alright, one of these niggas gotta move, bro. They messing my video up. We made it, y'all. Damn, bro, this sucks. I can't even give y'all good content because of this shit, bro. It's only 2 lanes and there's hella traffic. It's still rush hour right now, 4:55. So y'all know I'm not lying and this ain't a random time in the day. Here we go, y'all. First gear pull. Let me get some space. Oh my God. Oh my God. We got another little under bridge tunnel looking thing coming up. Downshift. We're gonna stay in first gear while this traffic move up a little bit. Yes, sir. He about to get my plate all on his fucking camera. All right, I'm gonna rev for y'all under the tunnel. This bitch sound crazy. Damn. This bitch sound crazy, little rev. We got a little Karen behind me. She look mad as shit, I ain't gonna lie. Oh well, eat a dick. I don't give a fuck. Can you catch me? No. Huh? Can you catch me? No. Eat a dick. Damn, where'd my boy go? He was boosting the video up. He was boosting the charger. As you guys can see, for you guys who are wondering, we started off at 39 miles, 40 miles. We are currently at 32, which ain't too bad. But that shit draining, I'm not gonna lie. Your boy gotta get gas soon. This motherfucking traffic is outrageous right now. If you tuned in for this long, you an OG, man. You thorough. I fuck with you. 100%. If y'all hear me smacking, this is why. So, shut y'all mouths. Motherfucking mentals. Also, I got my speedometer covered. If you know, you know. That's all I gotta say. Feel me? It's too federal to not have it covered. And we got a cop behind me. Great. Look at his ass. Let me put the phone down real quick. Yo, his ass trying to get behind me on some weird shit. He trying to get behind me. Look at it. He trying to get in the lane, but he dead ass stopped there and tried to get behind me, bro. You thought you was gonna get your boy today, huh? You trying to get paid. It's the end of the month, boy. Ain't getting paid from me, nigga. Let me stop talking before I get pulled. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, officer. Damn, I can't even. I was gonna say I can't even make as much noise as I could because I gotta get over to the right and I'm gonna have to pass his ass. So once I pass him, he gonna get on my ass and get paid. You don't want that. But this is boring as shit. There's literally no point. I feel like I'm just chatting. There's no point of recording. So I'm gonna pick up the phone once we get back on the road where it's not as much traffic. Stay tuned. And we're gonna end the video with a banger clip. All right, y'all, we back. And as y'all can see, man, we finally not in, well, we in traffic, but we not in the traffic that was as bad as earlier type shit. You feel me? But your boy gonna end the video in about the next minute or two. I'm gonna try to do a little pull for y'all. Because we gotta get over to the right, and that's just a straight exit. Straight lane going straight to the exit, so. The cop is on this side somewhere, on my left side, so hopefully he doesn't try to like bop, get my ass. Damn, there's even traffic on the right side, bro. What the fuck? Alright, y'all, here we go, man. Traffic wasn't that bad, but your boy about to do a little pull to end the video. Once again, before I end the video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it, y'all. Track mode. Oh shit, the cop. Fuck. Alright, y'all, we passed the cop. Let's give it another try. For the 5th time. Oh my god, this bitch sounds beautiful. sound beautiful. Here's a little tip, y'all, for those who are in the market for a charger, or for those who already have one. To move a nigga out of the lane, get on their ass and hit them with first gear. What the fuck are you doing, my nigga? Come on, bro. Anyways, go in first gear and just do one of these. Just tap that motherfucker. That's how you tell them to move. You already know. Ain't no point in me doing that, so I'm gonna be nice, but that's how you do it. Your boy got 29 miles. Oh shit, my turn signal on. One more pull for y'all. Alright, y'all, we on the video right here, man. I'm bullshitting, I'm not gonna lie. It's your boy Lord Shift. And that was my little video, my little POV drive on the highway, doing a little highway swim. So smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And we out, y'all.